my YouTube channel. So we would be continuing discussing our top interview 150 series of questions on Leetcode, and today we are going to discuss question from HashMap, and the question is ransom note. So the question states that given two strings ransom note and magazine, return true if ransom note can be constructed by using the letters from magazine and false otherwise. Each letter in magazine can only be used in ransom note. So suppose this is the ransom note given and this is the magazine. So this letter is not present here, so we'll return false. Now in this case, magazine A is present, but B, like this A is present and this will be occupied. Then we will check this A, but this A is already used, so we cannot use this A. So this will return false again. Now let's check for this. This A will use this A, and this A will use this A. So this will return true. So both of string lengths can be from 1 to 10 to the power 5, and both are in lowercase English letters. So yeah, I think you have understood the explanation to this question. So let's see how we are going to solve this. So what we will do is, for magazine we will create a hash map, and we will store each of the characters count, like how many times each of the character is occurring, and then we will start iterating our ransom note string, and we will use those counts from the hash map which we have created, and we will keep on decrementing. Like when we encounter A, then we will decrement the count of A in our hash map. And if at any place we find like the current character has count 0, then we will know that like this is not possible, so then we will return false, otherwise we will return true. So let's see the code and see how it's being done. So we are given two strings, ransom note and magazine. So we will define rn as ransom note dot length and mn as and magazine dot length, and then we are defining one array. This is kind of our hash map. So we are defining our array, and this is of length 26, and initially it has value 0 for all those 26 indexes. So 0th index represents A, B, index represents B, and so on. 25th index represents Z. So we will start iterating our this magazine array, and like for each of the character we will increment its count, and then we will start iterating our ransom note string, and if we will check if for currently this current variable count is 0, then we will return false, otherwise we will just decrement this current character count. And if false is not returned, then it means that all the characters are found in this magazine. So we will finally return true. So the time complexity of this algorithm is like equal to the length of this ransom note plus length of this magazine, and these lengths are given as 10 to the power 5. So time complexity is of 10 to the power 5, and space complexity is of 26, you can say. Yeah, because we are using, so this is kind of just constant space complexity, and time complexity is of n. So this is the code. Let's try to submit it and see whether it's working fine or not. So yeah, it is getting accepted. Let's try to submit it as well. So yeah, it has got accepted. So this solution is working fine. I will attach this problem description in the description of the video, and I will also attach this code solution in the comment section of the video. So stay tuned and like this video, subscribe to my channel, and we would be covering the next question in this series of top into 150 in our next video. So stay tuned.